I'm really happy with my teeth. I had a full mouth of dental implants done, both top and bottom. I came in at 8 o'clock in the morning, had 24 teeth removed. I received new teeth as I walked out the door. That was on the 23rd of December. That evening, I was at a party, Christmas party, and I was eating mashed potatoes and gravy. But I was doing really well, and the pain was minimal, more of a discomfort than a pain. Before dental implants, cosmetics were a big issue for me. So anytime I would smile, it would show decayed teeth, yellow teeth, teeth that were missing. And so the confidence there was not there to smile. It affected me in every area of my life, socially, whether I was at work or play or fun or it was just always keeping my mouth closed and never smiling publicly. Yeah, I'm a pretty happy person, so smiling is something I really enjoy. And now I can do it without any hesitation, without even thinking about it. Before I was guarded and wouldn't smile. The lack of smiling wasn't the true me. And so in short interactions, for sure, with people, it would be a impact on their first impression. Now that I have my dental implants, it's relaxed talking, relaxed smiling. I don't think about it. I just live my life instead of always being guarded and always worrying about seeing bad teeth. And I had a lot of my frontal teeth was decayed, and I just hadn't taken good care of my teeth. My fault, but I needed a fix. And when I came in here, I got the fix. I wasn't really aware of it. I was aware of an implant, but not dental implants. They call them arches. And so I had them give me a consultation. And out of that consultation, they said, well, we don't have anything until the first of the year. This was the end of 2025. And I said, okay. And they said, well, we have one date, December 23rd. Well, who wants December 23rd? You're going to get your teeth worked on and not be able to enjoy the holidays. I took that appointment and got it done, and I enjoyed my holidays more than if I had my old teeth. And I didn't get to eat everything I used to eat because it was the same day. Pain medication I took for one day out of office, and I didn't take it after that. I just took my ibuprofen. So it was really very smooth, very seamless, and very helpful. I'm pleased. With my new dental implants, I like to eat steak. I enjoy eating cheese. Ribs are a great one. And so there's really nothing that I can't eat. I enjoy eating apples, and I don't eat as much as I used to of those things, but I can't think of anything I don't eat that I enjoy to eat. Yes, I do have regrets, and I guess the only regret I have is I didn't do it sooner. So I'm 67, and I could have done this sooner and enjoyed what I'm enjoying. And so I would tell you to do it now, because the process is real streamlined. It's crazy. I could not believe that and none of my friends could believe that I came in and left with teeth the same day. When they see me that afternoon, they were shocked. Dr. Cheema, I'd just like to say thank you very much. This has been a life-changing experience, and you handled everything smoothly and seamlessly, and it was actually pain-free for me. So I want to thank you. And the part that's really amazing you don't get to see is me walking the streets, meeting my friends, having my meals, living my life. And it's my best life with a new smile and teeth that are functional. So thank you for what you do. Thank you for what you did for me. Thank you. It's been a life changer, a definite game changer for me. So thanks for what you do. And thanks for doing it for me.
17. That looks better. 117. Where's that? That's 45. 145, 230, 117.
Between the 30 right here?
Mm-hmm. Because this one's more straight, this one's angled.